Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you page number 12. Our topic is on the road. Look at the picture. Talk about it. What can you see in this picture, students? We can see a girl, an elephant, a boy, a cycle, a car, a man and a monkey. Okay, let's read with me. Look, the girl is on the elephant. The boy is on the cycle. The man is in the car. The monkey is in the car. Look at the girl. Look at the boy. Look at the man. Look at the monkey. I have already told you in my previous lecture about the use of on and in, and today we have a new preposition at. We can use at for many purposes, but here we use it to point out the noun, like look at the girl, look at the boy, look at the man, look at the monkey. Hope you understand this. Let's move to the copy, and in the copy we will do page number 31, and our question is dictation words. First dictation word is clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. You have to write it very neatly. And our second dictation word is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. And the next word is nail. N-A-I-L, nail. And the next one is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And the next one is quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. I have written this one time, but you have to write 2 times here. Okay, and you have to do practice on the next page, page number 32, and we will do page number 33. Question is missing letters, and first word is clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. N-A-I-L, nail. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Missing letters are like dictation words. Okay, you have to write it like this. C-L-O, sorry, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay, L is missing. Yes. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. N-A-I-L, nail. U-M-B RELLA. Umbrella. A is missing, M is missing. QUILT, quilt. Okay, learn all the spellings and practice on page number 34 also, and write very neatly. See you next time in the next video. Allah Hafiz.